Good morning, guys. It is time right now around 8:45. Around 8:45. So I'm going to temple with Rakesh Bhai. He asked me to come with him. So I'll just go and explore the temple and I'll show you how it is. And he said we are going to remove the evil eye on temple. I don't know. Like, actually, I am a different religion, right? So I'll just go and explore. There's nothing wrong with exploring, right? I want to see the beauty of it, and I'm like, we can explore the Indian tradition, huh? So let's go. Let's see how it looks. And now I'm going to meet Rakesh. Bye. Chilling, chill. How much is the temperature right now in Mysore? Uh, it is like 22 something around. Wow, that is so beautiful. Yes, chai break is done now. Waiting for Rakesh Bhai. He went to bring the car. I will show you. I keep saying now, my friend, that I came. This is the reason why I came Mysore and working along with him. So here finally, Rakesh Bhai. See, this is the reason I came to Mysore. This guy is my inspiration.
Wow.
Inspiration is like my well-wisher and guider.
Really?
Ah.
Okay.
So we are going Mysore, not Mysore. Are we going Mysore only?
No, we are going for temple.
So
Pandavpura.
Pandavpura temple we are visiting along with bro. Like I said now that he wants to take out some evil eye. So due to some previous incidents now, so he took it serious this time. So we are going. That is the reason. We will.
Exists.
Bro, what is that speed, bro? You can go slow, na?
It's slow only, bro.
How much? 100, bro.
100
I think
is
I should keep
normal.
seat belt. It is annoying. That sound.
Always have to wear seat belt. Safety first.
So I kept the seat belt on. Done. Yeah, finally the sound is gone. So we are visiting Pandavpura.
Yes.
This is the slow for him. It is very slow. है ना?
It's normal speed, bro.
Bro, normal speed.
160 is a normal also.
So bro, after temple, what we are going to do?
After temple, I have to go to one more function is there.
Function again.
Yes.
Yesterday you said you went function again today as well.
Yes, today also function is there.
You're a family guy, man.
Today is a get together party is there.
With school, college friends.
With relatives and all.
Okay, family get together. So all family will go?
Yeah.
At what time, bro?
I think I will leave at afternoon 1:30, 2 o'clock.
And when will you guys will come back?
5:30, 5.
Awesome.
After that, I'm gonna leave Mysore again.
Bro, I'm scared of Kannada people, you know. They'll fight.
For what?
Like if we don't speak Kannada, na, or if we
Who said?
Like
Who will
we are
fight
seeing
with
most of the
you?
incidents in Bangalore.
Arey, bro.
Ah.
That is all social media fakeness. That's it. Understood? Nobody will fight with you.
Got it.
Got it? The social media is only for hype only, na?
Like I'm
Then
getting scared sometimes.
In
Like
social media, 95% of the things are just for the hype and just for
They
to
were-
follow their follower. That's it. Kannada people are very good people, bro. They don't
Okay.
even fight.
Then why this language barrier, bro? Like language issue.
Arey, what will happen, na? For example, if you don't know Kannada, okay, if you talk other language, not an issue. You should not show your attitude.
Okay.
For the drivers, for example, na, you're telling them, hey, come, let's go.
Okay.
Who will listen to you, bro?
That is true.
Yeah, nobody will listen, na?
Yeah. I don't think whatever we are saying in social media, I think that is not true. Like they are just overhyping the small incidents
Yes.
to make it a toxic culture. So I think it is a very good place. Even till now, I didn't meet any that kind of people. Everyone is like, let's say, wish you well. Everybody is so cool and kind. And also, most people know Hindi as well, bro. Here, I heard, and there are some Telugu words, bro. 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees.
Yes.
They are like same in Telugu only, relatable.
See, if you go everywhere, na, bro, wherever you go, language is not the problem. The problem is your attitude.
Attitude.
How you behave with people.
True.
Understood? If you behave nicely, they will also behave nicely.
I'll get copyright claim if the song comes in the,
Eh?
video.
Who said, bro?
We'll get copyright claim, bro.
Really?
Like when we are recording video, na, if some like a movie song or anything plays, na, we'll get copyright claim. Like it is not a big deal, but it's better we should avoid them.
Got it.
But this village is fantastic views, guys. I mean, like
We was about to.
this doesn't even look like village at all. It looks like some kind of town. Like you can say the town, but it is so cool. Like a one-way highway. This is in the NH that we are going right now, national highway, and see the temples and stuff. Where is Papa car, bro?
They went other place.
Papa and
Sangeeta.
okay, Papa and Didi went. Okay.
So this is third car, na? You are saying one.
So guys, finally we almost reached the Temple Road. How far, bro? 1 kilometer from here?
Not here. I think 500 meters.
500 meters, yeah. We almost reached. I will show you. Bro said we can't go inside right now because there will be too much rush because of Amavasya. So we will just explore the surroundings of the temple. And he have some puja, na? So after completing that, we will go back home again. Finally, we almost reached. Hero. Look here.
What, bro?
You look like 90s hero.
Hey, shut up. Bye, bro.
Guys, this is the temple that we visited coming actually. And so many people here are feeling too much. So bro, where is he going?
ಅಕ್ಕ ತಾಳಿ ಸಾಮಾನು ಕೊಡಿ ಫುಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಯಾವತ್ತಿಂದ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿರೋದು 8 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ್ತು ಬಂದು ನಾನು
So
8 ತಿಂಗಳು ಬಂದೆ
it's too much warm and there was so many.
ಈಗ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತದೆ
I don't
ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗೋಯ್ತದ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತದ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ
because too many people here.
ಅಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡಿ ಇದೆ ಮೊದಲು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಬ್ರು
From where, bro? Yes, guys, there are too many people here, so I lost the Rakesh bro in middle, so I started right there. So I think I'll wait for him until he comes back. I don't know what is his temple name. I should ask him.
That lady was telling me, na?
Ah.
What, sir, you didn't came from last 2 years.
Does she know you? She is a customer?
Yeah.
Okay.
I am her customer, she is my customer.
Uh-huh. So guys, according to bro, what I heard here, like this will remove the evil eye. Like this place is there, na? So like whatever, if we want to do something and something bad energy stopping us, na? So according to him, like he said to me, this will remove the evil eye, like that. Like trading losses and business losses, na? So bro came here, like I mean, like it is also some self thing, and everyone have their own beliefs, na? So we just want to see like how it is going to work. But yeah, this tradition is so good. I mean, like in Christian culture we have very less, na? But this is so good to explore the new things. They are collecting some donations. I don't know for what they are collecting. They are collecting some amount for maintenance, I guess. Just want to see how he is going to get it.
ಹೋಗೋಣ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳಪ್ಪ ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ
Bro, and he.
ಹಾಕೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾ
That's it. Bro, that's it.
Come bro.
Oh, bye bye.
Come.
That's it.
Yeah.
That uncle is fighting. I think it is a private area. That uncle is fighting for something. We can go from here, bro. Is this a private land?
Yeah.
So that is the reason why he is arguing. Then he should kept a board and fence.
Some of the people na made it to have an income as a parking income.
Okay.
You don't know it.
He don't know.
He is not staying here na.
So people are fighting.
Yeah.
So
See, look at the bro supari. You know this?
What is this?
You know how to say in English? I don't know.
Farmland or
Supari, no supari. Supari क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know. In English.
Okay. So guys, finally we went to temple and completed. So yeah, that is the car. That is a beast. We went now, and there is a bro who's talking with his relative or something. Suggest for the people who are coming to Mysore, they should experience the villages nearby Mysore, because here the villages are totally different as compared to the villages that I see till now, like in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. These villages are so fantastic, like totally different tradition and different state na. And there's so much about the temple. I don't know, I didn't study any history about the temple. If I know now, I think I will let you know if I study. But if I don't study now, please forgive me. Just came there to explore the temple. So let's see. We'll wait till the bro comes.
After coming back from temple, madam woke up just now. I wake her up multiple times. She's not even waking up. Tell the audience what you want to say. Don't listen to her. I tried to wake her up multiple times and see how she's acting like a small kid.
Is not good.
And for the people who are watching till now, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to comment so that I might know that who is watching from starting, and I will remember your names. I have a personal goal with the channel this time. Last time when we started, I didn't have proper goal at the time. Now I have a dedicated goal, so to build this channel along with this devil, Chota Devil. Not devil, Chota Angel. Choti Angel. So we are going to execute some plans. Thank you guys. Tata. Bye bye.
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 Take care. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.